What's up, YouTube? And I'm back with another video. And the thing about this, I am at the gym. I'm at Crunch, as you can see. And I'm finna give me a good squat day in today. I don't know what's finna go on today, but I know I'm finna get this money. As all y'all can see. Get my glasses. I know I'm finna get this money. So anyway, man, I'm finna walk up in the gym. And hey, let's see how it go, you know. I gotta use the bathroom. I gotta take the Brown to the Super Bowl, you know. But hey, let's see how it go. Anyway, horsepower from getting in the gym, and hey, catch y'all when I get there. Get it. So I'm in here. I'm gonna go and get the squat rack. This the squat rack I'm using, you know, commercial gym now, cause that's what I'm using. Man, Crunch. So this the inside of it. We got everything, right? It look good, man. It look good. So I'm gonna get some squats in, say clump squats, whatever say. I gotta start at 4 or 5, get 1 set of 3 without no belt. I don't have my belt with me on my wrap, so we've decided to go. Since I got back from basic, I got like 4 or 5 on 1. It felt good. I'm gonna try some more stuff. We gonna hit the sled back there and everything else. So catch it with y'all. And hey, I'm gonna go and warm up and hey, let's get it. So at this moment right here, you know, I'm doing my warm-up set. I like to start out with 4 to 5, you know, get like a good squat in, you know, get my form right, get them hips loose and everything else. I don't just jump in because, you know, you can't just hop in the lion den without a sword, without nothing to fight with, you know, so you gotta hop in good, gotta warm up. So yeah, let's do it. This is 225, you know. It's been a while since I've been squatting for heavy for a long time. I'm just getting back in the groove. It feels great. Last time I squatted something heavy is around 4 or 5. Then when I first got back on the second. So I'm gonna try to go for it today. Hopefully that 4 or 5, that 1 set of 3 be great, you know. I pray for it. Let's get it, you know. See me out. So you know, I got how many squats I got? Okay, yeah. I'm gonna do my top set. I'm gonna do my top set. 1 set of 3 before 5. I'm gonna try to get it. Got my belt so we can see. Hopefully I get it. You already know. I'm gonna beat the odds as always. You see, he's over there sitting just marinated on the bar. So you know I'm gonna get it. I don't care what nobody say. I'm gonna get it. Let's go. Car might break it up and sit too. But I'm gonna see how it is, chop it up, we will see how it go. Let's get it.
This boy got a hit.
Bam! Right in the cover. Let's see if I can get 2 more. Let's see what's up. Let's see what it's working with. Bam! Another one. You already know I get another one with no belt. With no belt. Do you see that? Look at just look at them thighs. Oh my god. Look at them hamstrings.
And
You're pushing through it. A dog tag, jangle and everything. Big dog status. Told y'all we was gonna get it. I told y'all, get your mind right. So look, I know I got 5 sets of 3, but I'm over here 3 sets of 5. So it could be 15 because I know I'm on time limit. So and I got 320. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working with these squats and let me go and get it for y'all people. Let's go. Okay, what you want to say about your little first little squats you got on the video, bro? Good job, good job. Camera shy, babe. Man, I'm going to do my stuff. This is what I got. 2 more sets, 2 more sets, 2 more sets, 2 more sets, 2 more sets. Okay, y'all look, I got the power squats. 2 sets of 3 if I'm not mistaken. I got to do 330, high bar power squat. Get in there, boom. Sit in the gutter, and come back. You see, it's that easy. So these are power squats. They help when you sit down in the gutter, you get right up. ATG when you squats, you know, start from like a little isolated position in the middle squat, and you explode up, you know, simple as that. They will help your squat get up too, so you should try to integrate them into your workout plan, workout routine too, because you just starting from a dead point and coming up instead of going down and coming up, you know. Okay, now we're gonna do 1 half high bar squat, high bar 1 half squat. So I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Show you. First, gonna be like a squat. You go halfway up, squat. That's it. Got 2 sets of 3. I'm doing 315 as you can see. Then I'm gonna hold the camera. She'll get her working into it. So yes, I'm gonna get this money, and I see you. So now we're gonna do some Nordic hamstring curl because I didn't see some of the JHRs of the glute hamstring raise. I didn't see that on the machine. So just substitute it with Nordic hamstring curls. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We gonna get like 4 or 5 sets, 5 or 6 or whatever. I'm just let y'all know when I get it. So when I get it, I'm gonna let y'all know and let's get this money. So these are the Nordic hamstring curls. You've probably seen many athletes do them, such as Tyreek Hill and other things. They help with your speed and your core. You get everything strong, especially in your squats too. So as you can see, she can't hold me up. Make sure you get a strong partner, but it's okay, you know. As you can see, if I go down, if I stop the camera right there, my hamstring is kind of curling up, and this low-key did hurt. It felt like they're about to snap in half, but I gotta get more flexible and get more stronger with that. That's one of my weak points, but I will be getting it. What's the problem? So now we're finna do some landmine anti-rotational rainbow with the landmine bar. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do it, and we got 3 sets of 4, 4 sets of 4. I don't know. Gotta look back on it. Just gonna get this work, and I'll let y'all know when y'all see it on the screen. What's high? What I'm gonna do, and we gonna get some sled pushes and things, and we can get this money. Let's get it. Yes, so the landmine anti-rotational rainbow, it will work with other things such as your core and your side up. You can see it will help you with a lot of things. It will help get your squat off your shoulder. Because you know you have to hold yourself, you have to get that core tight and strong. And like get it tight, you know. So yes, you can integrate this into your workouts and everything else. I'm trying something new today, and we'll keep like it. Keep working. Keep fighting. Let's go. So yeah, now they did landmine things. So now they give me some sled pushes, one up and one down. I'm gonna go, but I gotta head to my other practice I got. kicking and everything else. And I will tell y'all about that later. The story for another day. So yeah, girl gone. She picking up so. Whoop. But I'm finna go and get this done today. You see, down there and down back. So I'll get y'all when I catch down. Let's get it. There we go. We're gonna start these little sled pushes, you know. Things been alright, you know. They had me tired, I'm gonna let you know that, but I kinda did it because with the Army, they have a fitness test called the ACFT, and you have to do a lot of pushing, sled pulling, matter of fact, and it helped. And it burned your hamstrings out, and I just want to keep that movement right with me, you know. I want to get more to like the pushing area with your legs, so you can be a power, you know, because you gotta have that torque. If a horse have anything, it's power. That's what I want to have. You can see by me driving, it works your back, your calves, everything, your arms pushing. Because the ground is very rough, and the terrain is very, very rough. So, certain things that you gotta realize, you know, some things that you gotta do.
I don't think I can do it, dog. I don't think I can do it. You know when I take my glass off, that's when it gets serious.
So yes, I got a good squat in and everything else. Y'all probably can't hear me because the music is so loud, but everybody deep up in here. I see y'all tomorrow, I might do me like a mile run, like a little cardio thing. Y'all have to catch up with me when I see it. So, I'm sweating my eye, burn my eye. So I'm just gonna catch up with y'all when I get up in there. I'm gonna do other things too. A lot of new stuff coming. I'm gonna let y'all know how I did it. Basics, drop some photos, and everything else. But then just a little video saying that I'm back. I'm back and I'm better than ever. Just know that. Just know that. So it's okay. It's okay. I know y'all miss me. But guess what? They finna get back right. So I'll see y'all when I'm there. I'll catch up with y'all. Catch y'all later. Boys out.
Sabo on the beat. There's gotta be some heat.